Hmm.
The second paragraph, my lord. Admittedly, I am the owner of this cattle, my lord, and I have purchased the same from my lord, one Rajmai Weekly Animal Bazaar, my lord, at Sibsagar Jila Parishad, my lord, that I have annexed from page 15 onwards, my lord. All the challans. Page 15 onwards.
Yes, Sharma.
My lord, my lord, some documents annexed, my lord. Let the city come back.
Heard Mr. M. J. Dotto, Learned Counsel for the applicant, and also heard Mr. D. Sharma, Learned Additional Applicant for the split respondent. Appearing arrest in connection with Bosisto PS case number 83 of 2024 under section 120B 379 IPC, reduced section 11(1)B of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Life, reduced section 13(1)(16) of Assam Cattle Preservation Act. This application under section 438 services preferred by applicant Abdul Latif for grant of previously. Above noted case has been registered on the basis of an FIR lodged by SI Ritupon Kolita of Zerabad Police Outpost on 9/2/2024. The essence of allegation made in the FIR dated so and so is that while attending patrolling duty on 8/2/2024 at about 10 p.m., the informant has intercepted one vehicle bearing registration number AS02 A02AL 5089. No, at about no, on 9/2/2024 at about 4 a.m. intercepted one vehicle bearing registration number AS02AL 5089. Which driver Noor Mohammed and helper Riazuddin and one Faridul Islam and Noor Hussain at Zurabat, Link Road, Zurabat. And they were escorting one vehicle bearing registration number AS02CC 8143 where 20 numbers of live cattle were being carried without any documents. Mr. Dotto, Learned Counsel for the applicant, submits that the applicant is the owner of the seized cattle and he had purchased the same from Rajmai Weekly Animal Market under Sibsagar Jila Parishad. And in support of his submission, Mr. Dotto has referred to Annexure 2 series from page number 15 to . 54. 54. And that the applicant is innocent and not involved with the offense alleged and therefore it is contented to allow the petition. Whereas Mr. B. Sharma learned additional PP submits that this is the only case that may be called for. Having heard the submission of learned advocates of both sides, perusal of the case is found to be necessary and accordingly it is provided that in the event of arrest of the applicant in connection with possessed of PS customer so and so under section so and so, he shall be released on interim period bail on his executing a bond of rupees 50,000 with one share of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority. The last condition was CJM. CJM can't without permission. CD on
Stereo on 5th April.
I am obliged.
Item numbers 54, 55, and 46. Oh, I think that's.
pardon?
Can be.
56.
Wait, so for 38 application laudable fine, page 13 is the FIR. This is the second FIR of its kind of, on the same side, sum and substance, another FIR was filed and that was, final report was submitted. Page 13 laudable fine, the FIR. Allegation is that the informant Abdul Qadir, he borrowed an amount of rupees 32 lakhs and mortgaged his original land document. Subsequently, fraudulently, the accused person executed a sale deed. Lordship may turn to page 15, Lordship, the earlier affair. In the year 2020 itself, the affair was lost before the Gwalpara PF. This was for Hatigaon earlier by the same person, Abdul Quddus, the informant, the first informant, against the same accused person. After investigation, Lordship, of the same allegations, sum and substance are same. Identification of the land, amount, everything is the accused persons are same.
But unless you go for quashing that in this FIR, what can be done? Yeah.
Yes, we have contemplating to file a quashing. Because the final report was also submitted. And this-
After investigation.
And after investigation, my statement, accused statement was also recorded. And in the final report, the police has stated that no evidence was found, so they preferred a closure. And subsequently, after 3 years, this affair was filed. And now police has issued a notice.
Where is that final report?
The Lordship will find the final report. At page 23, Lordship may turn to page 26, the relevant portion, page 26. First paragraph, Lordship. During investigation, place of occurrence was visited and the statement of witnesses along with the statement of informant and the accused was recorded. It revealed during investigation that in the year 2006, the uncle of the informant, Abdul Rashid Mandal, borrowed an amount of which so and so only from the and mortgaged a land measuring 1 lesser situated at Hathigaon. Subsequently, the informant sold the land to the accused person and the accused person mutated the said land in their names, and since then they are living and possessing the property. Moreover, it is reported by the office circle officer, Dispur Revenue Circle, that the said land is situated at Hathigaon within Beltola Mauza, bearing patta number so and so, Doug number so and so, and the land record has been mutated in the name of the pattadars. They are the accused petitioners, Lordship. Lordship, next, the accused person named in the affairs has duly purchased the land and from the informant, and the land has been mutated in the name of the accused person, and they have been living in possession of the land. Accordingly, during investigation, no sufficient evidence materials could be collected against the accused person to establish a criminal case against the accused person, and as such, the final report is submitted for acceptance by the Honorable. So my statement was also recorded here.
Okay.
They are in that case.
Heard Mr. Zaid Alam, learned counsel for the applicant, and also heard Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional PG for the state respondent. Appearing arresting Hathigaon PS case number 57 of 2023 under section 406, 420, 448, 468 IPC. This application under section 438 services referred by applicant Abdul Rahim and Mofizuddin Ahmed and Kamal Singh Osoria alias Kamal Singh Kasaria for a grant of various paid. Above case has been registered on the basis of an FIR lost by one Abdul Quddus and Nazrul Islam on 7th February 2023. The essence of allegation made in the FIR dated so and so is that the petitioners, the informants took a sum of rupees 32 lakhs from one Abdul Rahim for business purpose. And as a security, they have given the original deed of a plot of land measuring 1 Katha 10 Losa situated at Hathigaon under Beltola Mauza, covering Doug number 248, 284 and Patta number 10 with an Assam type house. And after a few months, they have returned the amount, but Said Abdul Rahim has failed to return the deed. And thereafter, he took possession of the building and land at Hathigaon during the absence of the informant. Mr. Alam, learned counsel for the applicant, submits that the informant second FIR, first FIR is at page number?
Page 15.
In the year 2020, lost another FIR with the Superintendent of Police, Goalpara District, alleging the same facts. And upon the said FIR, the officer in charge, Goalpara PS, registered a case being Goalpara PS case number 414 of 2020 under section 420, 406, 465, 34 IPC. And after investigation, the IO has returned the same in final report, submitted final report being final report number
79 of 23. Page 23.
final report number 73 of 2023 dated 31/7/2023. Due to what is the ground for filing the FIR?
There was no evidence collected during investigation.
Where it is mentioned?
Lordship will find at page 27, Lordship, translated copy.
Due to absence of sufficient material against the accused persons. And that the applicants are ready to cooperate to the investigating agency and therefore it is contented to allow the petition. Whereas Mr. B. Sharma, learned medicine.
Well, in the FIR itself, but it is against the Abdul Rashid Mondal MLA, my lord. In the FIR, first FIR, my lord, it was page 15, my lord. But here, some of the witnesses examined, my lord. Here, FSL report is not received, my lord. FSL just
The rest of the part is completed.
my lord. Some of the witnesses examined, my lord, and it is true that, my lord, from his possession it was recovered, my lord.
Okay,
From the
heard
possession
Miss
of the accused person, my lord.
K. Malakar, learned counsel for the accused, and also heard Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional PP for the state respondent. This application under section 439 says be part by accused Mithun Chakraborty, who has been languishing in jail Azut in connection with Bangaigaon GRPS case number 5 of 2024 under section 20B, Roman 2, capital B, NDPS Act since 17/1/2024 for grant of bail. The above noted case has been registered on the basis of an FIR lodged by one WASI Purnima Chaudhary on 16/1/2024. The essence of allegation made in the FIR dated so and so is that acting on a tip of on 16/1/2024, the informant at about 9:18 AM conducted search in the Purvuttar in the train number 14037 Purvuttar Sampark Kranti Express at platform number 1A of Bongaigaon. And at coach number A3 at seat number 45, they have apprehended one passenger, namely Mithun Chakraborty, and recovered 2 packets of suspected ganja weighing 12.7 kg. Ms. Malakar, learned counsel for the applicant accused submits that the accused was arrested on 17/1/2024 and he has been languishing in jail as for last 43 days. And that the quantity of contraband substance allegedly recovered from the possession of the accused is intermediate quantity and that he is ready to cooperate with the investigating agency and therefore it is contended to allow the petition. On the other hand, Mr. Sharma learned additional PP has produced the case that before this court and submits that the IO has examined some witnesses here in this case and now the case is pending for collection of FSL report.
Materials are also there against the presentation, some materials.
And further, Mr.
IO has
Sharma
collected
submits
some-
that the IO has collected sufficient incriminating materials against the accused and therefore Mr. Sharma has opposed the petition. Having heard the submission deadline, the case diary indicates that the IO has collected some materials in support of the allegation made in the FIR. But it also appears that the IO has examined the witnesses of this case and now the case is pending for collection of FSL report. The accused is languishing in jail for last 43 days. And balancing the same with the necessary gravity of the offense, this court is of the view that is further custodial and also the period of detention. This court is also the stage of investigation. This court is of the view that further custodial detention of the accused may not be required in the interest of investigation and therefore this court is inclined to allow this petition. It is provided that on furnishing a bond of rupees 50,000 with one security like amount to the satisfaction of the learned special judge NDPS, Bongaigaon, the accused be enlarged on bail.
26.
26.
This for 13 application receipt, allegation standard section 20P, Roman 2, C/29 of NDPS Act receipt, and I was arrested on 25/12, 2022, and
Here it is commercial quantity.
commercial quantity receipt.
What is the quantity?
Yes, total quantity is receipt 21 kg ganja. But from me receipt, 10 kg, 0.100 gram was recovered from me receipt. As for the FIR receipt, FIR page 9.
Hold on. 43. My lord, here I have received one instruction that search is submitted, but I will have to verify, my lord. Here GRPS, my lord. Here it is GRPS, but it is in our instruction it is written as Bongaigaon, my lord. That's why I will confirm, my lord.
When?
At 2, my lord.
2. But here it is sections 20C is there.
My lord, C is commercial.
That's all right, but from his position, the
Ten.
recovered quantity is
10.
10.100
10.100 gram receipt.
grams.
It is intermediate from me.
But totality at total, my lord, it was 21 kg per house.
No, the other quantity was
Other-
recovered from another person.
Yes, receipt. And today is 60.
Whether they were traveling together,
They are together.
My lord. Together, my lord.
in the same compartment.
My lord.
Same compartment. Yes, sir.
On the other day, I asked you or Mr. Borua to confirm whether this section will attract
No, perhaps,
commercial quantity.
my lord, perhaps it is not. It is not written in our file, my lord.
Okay, at 2 p.m.
So, may I submit two judgment receipt
Regarding
regarding receipt, same circumstances receipt, many other High Court granted bail and there is a Supreme Court judgment almost Rambhai Parok receipt. May I-
Okay, but you submit it to the court master, we will hear you at 2 p.m. Let him obtain instruction in the meantime.
Answer please.
27 and 28.
May please, your lordship. This is a 439 bail application, your lordship. I was arrested on 19/12/2023. I'm behind the bars for the last 73 days, your lordship. I have preferred the bail application once it was rejected. Your lordship, the allegation against me, the FIR is at page 10. But your lordship, 409 was added on 30/12, your lordship. But 409 may not be attributed against me, your lordship, because I'm not a public servant nor a banker.
So this is second application.
Yes, your lordship. The second.
On what ground you are preparing?
73 days, your lordship, consider length of detention because, and one more thing, your lordship, 73 days is, otherwise 60 days is the period, your lordship, because 409 is added. That is why it becomes 10 years punishment, but 409 may not be attracted against me, your lordship. And also against my friend, your lordship. Item number 28. We are not public
Yes,
servants.
Mr. Sharma.
My lord, here we have no received case there today, my lord. And that may be fixed on Monday, my lord.
Monday.
Monday, my lord.
My lord, considering the length of detention, considering the aspect.
Let the
Minor.
thing come.
My
We
lord.
will see. We will see the stage of investigation.
My lord.
As prayed for by Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional PP, receives a list the matter on Monday. So as to enable him to produce the case diary before the court.
My lord.
29.
The lordship. Lordship, it is application under section 439. Sir, I've been arrested from 1st February 2024 for the last 1 month.
Matter of police, my lord, gave notice all the shops of that locality, 41A notice, and my shop was investigated twice, my lord, nothing was recovered from my shop.
So is there any material against the applicant?
Lordship, no, he is from the city till 3rd of February, but I didn't find his name. And he is as per the statement of the petitioner, he is he's a shop owner. His name was not found in any,
No material.
no material. I didn't find his name till 3rd of this February.
Okay. Takes the order dated 2/2/24. Heard Mr. S. Kedas, learned counsel for the applicant, and Mr. A. Boyso, learned additional PP for the state respondent. Thereafter, pair number 2 and 3. Take down pair number 4. Mr. Das, learned counsel for the applicant, submits that this court by order dated 2/2/2024 was pleased to grant interim protection to the applicant, and pursuant to the said order, he had appeared before the IO on 13/2/2024 and cooperating with the investigating agency. And he is innocent and no way involved with the offense alleged, and therefore it is contented to make the interim order dated 2/2/2024 absolute in the same terms and conditions. On the other hand, Mr. A. Boyso, learned additional PP, has produced the case diary before this court and submits that since 3/2/2024, the case diary has not been updated. But till 3/2/2024, the IO could not collect any material against the present applicant. In view of the submission of learned advocates of both sides, having heard that line. In view of the materials collected so far in the case diary, and also in view of the cooperation being extended by the applicant to the investigating agency, his custodial interrogation seems to be not warranted here in this case, and therefore this court is inclined to make the interim order dated 2/2/2024 absolute in the same terms and conditions.
Right.
Case diary will be retired.
Be clear. 37.
Please, my lord, it's a 438 application, my lord. I am in interim and I appeared before investigation officer.
When?
My lord, on 3 occasions, lastly on 26/2/2023.
Was your CD receipt?
Lordship, in this regard, city is not received, Lordship.
Mr. Boissel learned additional PP submits that he has not received the case diary. Accordingly, it is provided that Mr. Boissel shall produce the case diary before the court on
27 March.
till an interim order dated 6/2/2024 stands extended.
of last week.
39. Lordship, in item number 39, some instruction is awaited. Maybe fix it to Lordship.
My lord,
When?
at two.
At
At
two.
two.
Mr. Sharma, requested
Yes,
for two.
yes.
My lord.
41.
My lord, this is for the second time the petitioner is before your lordship. Because on earlier occasions, my lord, in pursuant to order of this honorable court, he appeared before the IO. And the investigation is sufficiently progressed in this regard. And the daughter of the informant is in touch with me also. Daughter of the informant is in touch with me with regard to settlement of marriage. So in view of all the accused persons, other co-accused persons, this FIR was most probably filed that the other co-accused persons rested